Alright, today I will guide you on how I create this pencil sketch art using Gemini app. Alright, so all I just have to do was to upload my picture, then give it a detailed prompt, then I ended up here. Alright, so we're going to do this step by step following my instructions. So the first thing you have to do is open your Gemini app, then probably open a new tab or a new chart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a new chart with Gemini. Then the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to upload my image so that I can have a consistent character. And that is one of the major issues that we do have as a content creator or when you are creating image. So you say, give this person a particular name. This is maybe Ayo, this is Gideon, whatever. Just say this is Gideon, a digital, digitalpreneur. All right, so you can just give you any details. All that matters here is actually you are telling Gemini to keep this in memory so that whenever you refer to this picture in your prompt, it will be easy for Gemini to actually create whatever you want. All right, now that we have that settled, the next thing we have to do is come to this section where we have Ask Gemini. Make sure you click on this image, the one with the banana icon, then enter this prompt that I will give you. This particular prompt will be available in the description below. So once you have that, some of the time we have to try different prompts to actually get what we need. So the first thing I want to create is not the pencil sketch. So I will hit on this send button. Then let's wait for this to perform its magic. Alright, as you can see, it's actually generated this perfectly. And the reason why we have this looking up is because our instruction says head tilted back. It's tilted back a bit. I can decide to remove that part. So our prompt this time around is create a detailed pencil sketch portrait of him in a classic hand drawing style. And I'm going to just hit on this create button and we wait for the magic to be performed. So let's just wait and see what we have at the end of the creation. You can see we have a perfect pencil sketch of exactly what we want. It is worth knowing that the realistic of whatever output you have from a free version of Gemini will be different from what you have from a pro version of Gemini. I also have a pro version where I'm going to create one now and you will see what we have on that version. So let's quickly head to the premium version and see what we can have. All right, so this is what I need to do. I need to click on upload file. Then I'll select the picture I want to use as my reference image. So in my case, this is the picture I'll be using as my reference image. Then I will insert this my prompt. Where's the prompt? Okay, this. And once this image is fully uploaded, I will hit the send button. You can see it's still uploading. So we have to wait for that. Okay, now I'll hit the send button and let's see what we have at the end of the creation. Wow, this is amazing. You can see it is very detailed. You can see what we have. So you can decide to save your outputs by hitting on this download icon. So if you find this very helpful, please like this video. And in the video description, you find the prompts for this particular generation. Thank you and do have a wonderful time.